Ayan sila. Mamimili daw yan sila ng gold, guys. Oh. Huwag niyo ubusin, ha? Ganito lang yung gold dito, guys. So, walang security. Yan, lahat. Wala yung security. Yan. TikTok.
Happy birthday.
50 real lang daw, tata. Guys, tara na dito. I'm sure na mabubusog yung mata mo sa kakatingin ng mga gold nila. Sobrang dami. Klase-klaseng gold. 18, 22, or ilang karat man yan. Kaya guys, magpabudol na tayo dito sa gold souk. So, ang gold naman guys is a good investment kasi tumataas yung value niya.
Brother, we need the necklace. We don't have
Pili
that.
lang.
We don't have the big one. Like this bracelet. We don't have the big one.
Bigger?
Kuya.